Let's begin with the basics of the Newborn Screening Act. Why was it created? And what does it aim to achieve? Ready? Let's dive in. The law was enacted in 2004 to protect newborns from life-threatening conditions that are not visible at birth. By detecting disorders early, newborn screening can prevent severe complications, permanent disabilities, and even save lives. The main purpose of this law is to require screening for congenital metabolic disorders, conditions that affect how the body processes food or produces energy. These disorders often go unnoticed until irreversible damage occurs, so screening is absolutely critical. Let's keep our babies safe and healthy. To make sure every child is protected, the law requires all accredited hospitals, clinics, and health centers to provide newborn screening. No matter where a child is born, they can get this life-saving service. Now, let's go over the key rules that make newborn screening mandatory and effective. Newborn screening must be performed between 24 and 72 hours after birth. This window is super important. Testing too early may miss conditions, while testing too late could allow damage to start. Timing is everything. The initial panel of tests included congenital hypothyroidism, phenylketonuria, or PKU, and galactosemia. Over time, more conditions have been added, giving babies even wider protection against hidden disease. The Department of Health and designated newborn screening centers are responsible for overseeing program implementation. They make sure facilities follow protocols, and that results are processed and acted upon quickly. So why is newborn screening so important? Let's highlight its amazing benefits. When diseases are detected early, treatment can start right away, often preventing permanent damage. For example, thyroid medication given early can prevent mental retardation caused by congenital hypothyroidism. Early action makes all the difference. By catching disorders before they progress, newborn screening helps reduce infant deaths and prevents complications like developmental delays and organ damage. It's a true lifesaver. Children who receive early treatment can live normal, healthy lives. This gives families peace of mind and society healthier, more productive citizens. As community health nurses, here's how we make sure this law is implemented effectively at the grassroots level. Parents may not always understand why this test is important, especially if their baby looks healthy. Our role is to explain that many conditions are silent at birth and can only be detected through screening. CHNs are often involved in collecting heel prick blood samples, ensuring they're handled correctly, and sending them to accredited screening centers. Beyond clinical duties, we advocate for 100% newborn screening coverage in our barangays. We remind families and local leaders that newborn screening is a right of every Filipino child. Finally, let's look at practical examples of how this law is carried out in the community. During postpartum counseling, nurses explain newborn screening to mothers and answer common questions like whether it's painful or safe for the baby. We're here to help and reassure. If initial results are abnormal, CHNs help refer families to regional newborn screening centers, where confirmatory testing and management are available. We also make sure that babies with abnormal results get timely follow-up care and treatment, and that families receive guidance throughout the process. No baby is left behind.